This is the elevator right beside Dillard's, and this button is lit up for some reason. Yeah, this is right next to Dillard's. Schindler VR, MTVR. Should be coming down. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, we have a phone. Opens up here. Oh no, we have a call. Hopefully that's on 2 and not 1. Dibble nudge mode. Okay, here we go. Says good motor. On down 1. Set to Schindler door sound. Cab is very basic, just your typical mall elevator. A little bit run down on the ceiling, a little industrial looking. This bright indicator, there it goes, and that's it.